What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of days since I did a video. Today we'll be covering Conflux and how to mine Conflux. If you're not aware of this project, I will leave a link below so you guys can read through it and know anything you want to learn about it. That's about it. Discover growing array of next generation tools, protocols, applications in our innovation playground. Conflux DeFi, Shutterflow, everything else that you guys need to know about it. If we go to the coin market cap, they are currently 21 cents on 21 cents and a half. And then they have a bunch of exchanges: Binance, Gate, OKX, ZB.com, CoinX, PNX, and on. You guys can go on coin market cap and read about them as well. But what we're here for is to learn how to mine it. So if you're interested in the project, don't know how to mine it, you came to the right place. So there's a couple ways you can create a wallet or have a wallet. You can obviously use exchanges, which is usually not a popular way to do it, but I'm gonna just say it just in case you don't want to create a wallet. Or we can do Conflux Portal Wallet, which is an extension. So how do we do this? We'll hit the install, click get, add the extension, and it's gonna open something like this. When you guys are creating wallets like this, I'm using Windows 10 by the way, make sure you read everything before get started. Yes, let's get started. We'll create a new wallet and a seed phrase for you. No, I already have a seed phrase. We're creating a brand new wallet, so create a wallet and help us improve Conflux protocol. Make sure you guys read this. Never collect keys, address, transaction balance, and hashes, or any personal information. They also never collect your full IP address and never sell data for profit ever. So that's important. So we like privacy. Now it's asking us to create a password. Let's create one for this. Sorry, you're gonna hear me typing. I apologize about that. And then we're gonna say I have read and agreed terms. Go ahead and create. Now this is your seed phrase. Very important, guys. We're gonna need this phrase to set up this wallet, but phrases should never be saved on a computer. Get them off the computer, write it down so nobody has access to them, because if they have the seed phrase, they're in your wallet. That's it. It's done. They can take your crypto and everything else. So that's just a little reminder. Never disclose your backup phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your CFX forever. Now I'm doing this for this video, so I'm gonna let you guys see mine. It doesn't really matter. And this is the phrase. So we're gonna go ahead and copy and paste it into a WordPad. We're gonna need this for the next steps. So then you go ahead and hit next. We read the warning. Now it's asking me to repeat the phrase that I got. So I'm going to go ahead and make two windows here if possible. There you go. It's asking me. So we have hill, peanut, day, pumpkin, stable, intact. Good words to go together. You have news, develop, nerve, cable, trim, and twist. All right, perfect. Then hit confirm. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your seed phrase safe if it's possible. Save a backup in multiple places. Never share this phrase. Be careful of phishing Conflux. If you need to back up your seed phrase again, you can find it in setting security. If you have any questions, you can contact them. All done. So this is what it's going to open for us. Now, how to get the address? You're just going to hit here, deposit, and view account. And go say view on Conflux. Click here. And the address is right here where we can copy the clipboard, so it's copied. Or you can just copy it from here. Conflict rules have been updated to automatically convert all addresses to new addresses. I guess they did some kind of update. So why do we need a wallet? Good thing you asked. All right, so now that we got the wallet, I got ahead and copied it. We're gonna use MB Miner v32.38.2. So now the most important thing about mining, you always want to be up to date with everything. So make sure you regularly check that these miners are being updated. Sometimes they're updating, just the software or something to make your mining more efficient or anything like that. So it really does help when you do that. So we're gonna go do the MB miner. You're gonna click on it and you choose WinZip. I always choose the WinZip, the top one. Click on it. It will download it for you. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open the folder. Now this folder will be zipped for you. Right click, unzip it, and then open it. Once it's open, you're gonna look for start_conflux right here. You want to go right click and edit. Now we did get the address, so we're gonna paste it here over the other one, and we're gonna go ahead and change the pool. So I went to mining pool stats.stream/conflux. You guys can look at other pools. Obviously B pool is the biggest after pool, nano pool. That I took nano pool because we don't have to sign up for anything. I'm in the US, so I'm gonna copy this right here, copy it in here, which I already did, but just so you guys can see, copy it here, and then I put the input right here, and that's it. So you're gonna hit close and save. Once it's closed and saved, we're gonna open the start Conflux again, and you're just gonna double click on it, and it's gonna start mining for you. I'm gonna go ahead and open as well our Msi Afterburner. Now I have Afterburner open as well. First thing when you're doing this, watch your temperatures. I'm gonna put the fan up to 70. You guys are gonna hear it right away. And what I found out, at 100% power limit, we're running about 28 mega hash on it, I guess I can call it. Oh, that's a little bit high for my car. I don't like to run it at 70, but it is. Here goes 26. It goes up to 28. I'm gonna drop it right away down. I'm recording and I have the running mining just to show you guys here. So the only things I played with on the 1616 Ti is putting my fan a little bit up so I can counter the temperatures. Now I can lower it. And I put the power down. So with 100 power limit, I was getting about 28. With 75 power limit, I was getting under 25. So it's gonna drop a little bit more since I'm recording, but we're gonna go ahead and leave it there, and we're gonna jump into a couple of more things. So that's our stuff recording. Let's see if we can get the address again. Copy the address into nanopool. I don't think it's gonna show anything yet. Account not found. Okay. Why you're not found? I have the CFX right in front of it. So once you're on the nanopool, up here you can enter your address. Obviously it's not even gonna pull up anything for me because we just started mining, but it should give you all the stats for it. Even if let's see if I put it in here, will say anything. Nope, nothing found. So you can check all the stuff here, shares, how much you're making and everything else. But the biggest thing I want to calculate is what if I entered, what are our profits with this card? So if you look on our miner, let's see if it's gonna pop out another window for us. Say 89 power limit. Here we go. 89 power limit, doing about 2077. I know it does about 25 on this card. So on minerstat.com/coin/CFX, my input 25 mega hash. We're gonna put 89 watts. Pool fee I think is 1, and my power, which I just found lately, is 0.067. So let's say 7 cents. I thought it was 10, but because I moved, but it's not. So in 24 hours it's saying that we can make 7.5 CFX or $1.54 minus 21 in electrical. We're making $1.32 a day. 7 days we can make $9, and 30 days saying $50 on 1616 Ti. Now if I ran it as high as it goes, let's say 29, it should be about, I don't know, I think power limit 1, I think power would be 120 on it, and I hit calculate. Would that make sense? Okay, we would make $62. See, day $1.80, power is 20 cents, 7 days $12.21, $1.30. So we would make about $10 more if we ran it at top limit, I think it is. So about $8 more, but you're taking more power, but you're making more. So whichever way you want to look at it. So guys, as far as pool goes, you can choose any pool you would like. I chose nano pool just because I didn't have to sign up for it, and it would make it easier to make this video. On nano pool, currently showing 16.2 mega hash, says I have about 0.009 CFX in there. Minimum payout is 100 Conflux, but you guys can use any pool you would like. So if we go to mining pool stats.stream/Conflux, you guys can choose from any of these pool: B pool, F2 pool, nano pool, pool flare. Usually you want to look at pools that hit the blocks a lot, so you guys can see B pool hit the block 3 minutes ago, nano 4 minutes ago, and on. You don't want to choose pools that have like 10 hours for them to hit the block. You know, you're not getting much out of it. Then you got more possibility of getting it out of these. So we used MB Miner, we used portal.confluxnetwork.org, and we used Nanopool to mine Conflux. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will try to answer them the best that I can. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day.